Imagine slicing through mountains of vegetables, whipping up creamy hummus, or kneading dough for homemade bread in minutes without breaking a sweat. This Cuisinart 14-cup food processor is the kitchen companion that transforms tedious meal prep into a breeze. Whether you're a busy parent, a culinary enthusiast, or a meal prep pro, this stainless steel powerhouse is designed to save you time, effort, and counter space. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this vegetable chopper, blender, and food processor in one is a must-have for every modern kitchen, diving into its features, performance, and real-world value. Let's chop, dice, and shred our way to why this appliance deserves a spot on your countertop. Why the Cuisinart 14-cup food processor stands out. The Cuisinart 14-cup food processor isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's a versatile, high-performance tool that tackles a wide range of tasks with precision and ease. Powered by a 720-watt motor, this machine effortlessly handles everything from mincing garlic to kneading dense pizza dough. Its sleek brushed stainless steel design not only looks professional but is built to last, backed by a full 5-year warranty on the motor and a 3-year limited warranty on other components. With a spacious 14-cup work bowl and an extra-large feed tube, it's perfect for processing whole fruits and vegetables without tedious pre-cutting, making it ideal for family meals or entertaining guests. What makes this food processor a standout is its ability to simplify complex kitchen tasks. Whether you're pureeing velvety soups, shredding cheese for a crowd, or dicing ingredients for a fresh salsa, the Cuisinart delivers consistent, professional-grade results. Its intuitive design, complete with on- and off/pulse buttons, ensures ease of use for beginners and seasoned cooks alike. Plus, with dishwasher-safe parts, cleanup is as effortless as the prep itself. Let's break down the key features and benefits that make this appliance a game-changer. Key features of the Cuisinart 14-cup food processor. Powerful 720-watt motor. Handles tough tasks like kneading dough or shredding hard vegetables without stalling, ensuring quick and efficient prep. 14-cup work bowl. Spacious enough for large batch cooking, perfect for family dinners, meal prepping, or hosting parties. Extra-large feed tube. Accommodates whole fruits and vegetables, reducing prep time by eliminating the need for pre-cutting. Stainless steel blades and discs. Includes a 4mm slicing disc, medium shredding disc, and chopping/mixing blade for precise, uniform results. Dishwasher-safe parts. Simplifies cleanup, so you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your creations. Sleek stainless steel design. Adds a professional, modern touch to your kitchen while ensuring durability. Included accessories. Comes with a spatula, recipe booklet, and instruction manual to inspire your culinary adventures. BPA-free construction. Ensures safe, non-toxic food preparation for peace of mind. 36-inch cord. Provides flexibility for placement on your countertop. Solving common kitchen challenges. Meal prep can feel like a never-ending chore, especially when you're juggling busy schedules or cooking for a crowd. Chopping vegetables by hand is time-consuming, and manual graters can be a hassle and a hazard. Blenders often struggle with dry ingredients or thick mixtures, and kneading dough by hand is a workout most of us could do without. This 14-cup food processor solves these pain points with its all-in-one functionality. Here's how it tackles common kitchen challenges. Time-consuming chopping. The chopping/mixing blade minces onions, garlic, and herbs in seconds, turning hours of knife work into minutes. Inconsistent slicing. The 4mm stainless steel slicing disc delivers uniform slices for salads, gratins, or stir-fries, ensuring professional presentation. Labor-intensive shredding. Shred cheese, potatoes, or carrots effortlessly with the medium shredding disc, perfect for lax or coleslaw. Struggling with dough. The powerful motor kneads bread or pizza dough quickly, saving your arms and time. Messy cleanup. Dishwasher-safe parts make post-cooking cleanup a breeze, so you can focus on enjoying your meal. Whether you're whipping up a quick weeknight dinner or preparing a feast for a special occasion, this food processor streamlines every step, making cooking faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Performance that delivers. In testing, the Cuisinart food processor proved its worth as a kitchen workhorse. We diced tomatoes and onions for a fresh salsa, and the chopping blade produced a fine, even mince without turning the ingredients into mush. The shredding disc made quick work of a block of cheddar cheese, creating perfect strands for a cheesy casserole. When tasked with kneading pizza dough, the 720-watt motor powered through without hesitation, delivering a smooth, elastic dough in under a minute. The extra-large feed tube was a standout, allowing us to process whole apples and potatoes with minimal prep, saving valuable time. While the slicing and shredding blades are not adjustable, the 4mm slicing disc provided consistent results for most applications, from apple pie slices to vegetable gratins. Some users might prefer adjustable blades for more customized slicing, but for the average home cook, the included discs are more than sufficient. The machine's quiet operation and stable base, complete with suction cups, ensured it stayed put even during heavy tasks, adding to its reliability and ease of use. Benefits that make it worth the investment. Time-saving efficiency. Cuts prep time dramatically, allowing you to focus on creativity rather than labor-intensive tasks. Versatile functionality. Combines chopping, slicing, shredding, pureeing, and kneading in one appliance, reducing the need for multiple gadgets. Long-lasting durability. Backed by a 5-year motor warranty and built with high-quality stainless steel, this processor is designed to last for decades. Who is this food processor for? The Cuisinart 14-cup food processor is perfect for busy families, ideal for preparing large batch meals like soups, casseroles, or salads for multiple servings. Meal prep enthusiasts. Streamlines weekly prep with its ability to process large quantities of ingredients quickly. Home chefs. Great for those who love experimenting with homemade dips, sauces, doughs, or shredded vegetable dishes. Entertainers. Perfect for hosting dinner parties or potlucks, with a 14-cup capacity that handles crowd-sized portions. Health-conscious cooks. Makes it easy to create fresh, homemade alternatives to processed foods, like hummus, nut butters, or pestos. If you're someone who values efficiency, quality, and versatility in the kitchen, this food processor is tailored to your needs. Real-world applications and recipe ideas. The Cuisinart 14-cup food processor opens up a world of culinary possibilities. Here are just a few ways to put it to work. Homemade hummus. Puree chickpeas, tahini, garlic, and lemon juice for a creamy dip in under a minute. Fresh salsa. Diced tomatoes, onions, and jalapenos for a vibrant, restaurant-quality salsa. Shredded vegetable slaw. Shred carrots, cabbage, and zucchini for a colorful, healthy side dish. Pie dough. Blend butter and flour effortlessly for flaky, homemade pie crusts. Pizza dough. Knead dough quickly for a perfect pizza night at home. Why choose Cuisinart over competitors? Compared to other food processors in its price range, the Cuisinart 14-cup stands out for its balance of power, simplicity, and durability. While premium models like the Breville Sous Chef offer additional features like adjustable slicing discs, they often come with a higher price tag. Budget options, like Hamilton Beach, may lack the motor power needed for heavy-duty tasks. The Cuisinart strikes the perfect balance, offering professional-grade performance at a mid-range price, making it an excellent choice for most home kitchens. Final thoughts. Elevate your kitchen game. The Cuisinart 14-cup food processor is more than just an appliance. It's a ticket to faster, easier, and more creative cooking. Its powerful motor, large capacity, and durable stainless steel construction make it a reliable partner for everything from weeknight dinners to elaborate holiday feasts. Whether you're mincing, dicing, shredding, pureeing, or kneading, this food processor delivers consistent results that elevate your culinary game. Backed by a robust warranty and designed for ease of use, it's an investment that pays off in time saved and dishes perfected. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.